Are you stretching? Okay. Oh, good job. What are you going to do today, Reed?
I keep doing it.
Are you going to do your flips? Okay, let's see your flips.
Wait, that's flip.
That's right, they're good flippers. Good job. Okay, head down. Good job. Very good. Oh, that was a good one. There you go. Now you got it.
Watch out, Bubby, watch out.
Look out, Bubby. He's wild.